What is up, guys? Quick mess. Let us do it again. Welcome back. And today I'm actually I want us to actually discuss the difference between solving for an unknown and simplifying, because I know that a lot of people or a lot of learners might not know this. So why not just jump into it before I actually get into the deeper stuff, right? So whenever you're simplifying, you're not gonna get an answer that is equal to something. You're just simplifying what you started with, right? And whenever you're solving for an unknown, that unknown has to be equal to something. All right, let's just start with solving for an unknown. Let us say we had something like x squared minus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you already know that you'll have to factorize over there at the top, and you're gonna have something like x plus 1 close bracket and x plus no and x minus 1, right, is equal to 0 over x plus 1. And every time whenever you see the squared, just know that you will have to open up two brackets, right? So these cancel, the x plus ones, they cancel. So what you're left with is, okay, let me not jump into conclusion. Why am I doing that? So you're gonna be left with x minus 1 is equal to 0. But yeah, bro, it was on a bracket. Yeah, it was on a bracket, but there's no point of the bracket now. The bracket was to show that this was factorized, right? But now they have cancelled these two. They have cancelled, so there's no point for the bracket. So yeah, what you're left with is x is equal to 1. But whenever you are simplifying, you usually you get something like this. Let me just use the same thing. X squared minus 1 over x plus 1, right? And it's not equal to something. Believe me, it's just like that. So what you do, some they put an equal sign, some they put an arrow like this, and then they start working it out. I don't know. You tell me what you use down there in the comments. So we start. We factorize, right? What is similar on both cases, whether you're simplifying or you're solving, is that you will have to factorize x plus 1, right? Then this one is going to be x plus 1, x minus 1, right? Now these cancel, and what you are left with is x minus 1. You are left with this bracket, and you are left with this bracket, but then there's no point of writing the bracket since it's no longer, these have cancelled, right? And that was the difference between solving for an unknown and actually simplifying. You simplify if it's an expression, it is not equated to something, and you will solve for x or for an unknown if it's like an equation. Yes. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Goodbye. Quick maths, let us try it again.